Are you trying to decide between Quotex and Pocket option? You're not alone. Many traders face this choice. In this video, we'll compare these two trading platforms. Both offer unique features, but they cater to different needs. Quotex is known for its user-friendly interface. It's great for beginners. You can trade a variety of assets, including forex and cryptocurrencies. The platform also offers a demo account, which is perfect for practice. On the other hand, Pocket option is popular for its social trading features. You can follow other traders and copy their strategies. It also has a wide range of assets and a simple layout, making it easy to navigate. Now, let's look at the key differences. Cotex focuses more on the trading experience for new users. Meanwhile, Pocket option emphasizes community and social interaction. When it comes to features, Cotex provides a range of tools for analysis. You'll find charts and indicators to help with your trades. Pocket option, however, stands out with its copy trading feature. This allows you to learn from more experienced traders. Pricing is another factor. Quotex usually has lower minimum deposits, making it accessible. Pocket option also offers competitive pricing, but you might find different fees depending on the features you use. So, who should choose which platform? If you're just starting and want a straightforward experience, Quotex is a solid choice. But if you want to engage with other traders and learn from them, Pocket option might be better for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.